Vitamin B6 deficiency symptoms and vitamin B6 deficiency signs. Vitamin B6 deficiency, persistent fatigue even after 8 hours of sleep. You wake up exhausted. Your eyelids feel heavy, you need naps to get through the day, and coffee doesn't help. Muscle weakness, simple tasks feel harder. Carrying groceries tires you out, jars are tough to open, and your legs shake on stairs. Tingling hands, a prickly electric feeling wakes you at night. Using your phone or typing makes it worse, and shaking your hands only gives short relief. Numb feet, it feels like walking on cotton. Shoes seem unfamiliar, you trip more often, and long sitting brings pins and needles. Burning foot syndrome, your feet feel scorched, especially in bed at night. Ice packs help, but socks can feel unbearable. Poor balance, you bump into things, grab handrails more often, and feel dizzy when turning your head quickly. Cracked lips, your lips split and bleed when you smile. Chapstick doesn't help, and citrus foods sting. Mouth ulcers, painful white or yellow sores last for weeks and flare up with salty or spicy foods. Scaly rashes, a rash across your face, itches under stress, flakes like dandruff and worsens with sun. Oily facial skin, your forehead shines by noon, makeup won't stay on and pores clog easily, while cheeks stay dry. Dandruff flare-ups, flakes cover your shoulders, your scalp itches at night, and medicated shampoos barely help. Brittle nails, nails peel in layers, snap easily, and develop ridges or white spots. Hair thinning, you see more hair in the shower, your part line widens, and your ponytail feels thinner. Pale complexion, you look washed out, with more noticeable dark circles, and a yellowish undertone. Dark circles, purple or brown shadows don't fade with concealer, and get worse when you lose sleep. Swollen tongue, your tongue feels smooth and swollen with teeth marks on the sides, and speech slightly changes. Loss of taste, food tastes bland, spices go unnoticed, and you start craving stronger flavors. Sugar cravings, you secretly eat sweets, crash afterward, and can't stick to no-sugar goals. Meat aversion, the texture makes you gag, cravings fade, and your protein intake drops. Nausea after meals, you often skip dinner, rely on liquid meals, and keep antacids close. Unexplained weight loss, your clothes hang loosely, bones show more, and you drop pounds without trying. Bloating, your belly swells after eating, belts feel tight, and fitted clothes become uncomfortable. Acid reflux, you wake choking at night, your throat feels raw in the morning, and your voice gets hoarse. Frequent infections, you catch colds often, take longer to recover, and always feel like something is coming on. Slow wound healing, small cuts linger for weeks, scabs reopen easily, and bruises take months to fade. Allergy worsening, old allergies feel stronger, new sensitivities appear, and you rely on antihistamines more. Cold extremities, your hands and feet feel icy, nails turn bluish, and gloves become a year-round item. Heart palpitations, your heart skips beats, flutters when you rest, and sometimes triggers panic. Shortness of breath, you feel winded on stairs, can't sing without gasping, and yawn to get more air. Water retention, rings get stuck, socks leave deep marks, and your weight swings daily. Brain fog, you forget why you entered a room, reread the same lines, and lose focus at work. Memory lapses, conversations slip your mind, you miss appointments, and you mix up names. Word finding difficulty, you stall mid-sentence, call objects thingy, and lose your train of thought. Irritability, you snap over small things, curse at objects, and regret your outbursts. Unprovoked anxiety, your heart races without reason, panic hits in normal situations, and you overthink minor issues. Depressive moods, you lose interest in hobbies, neglect self-care, and cry easily. Vivid nightmares, you wake up screaming, remember every detail, and dread going back to sleep. Insomnia, you wake at 3 a.m., stare at the clock for hours, and even sleep aids stop helping. Restless legs, you can't keep your legs still in bed, sheets get tangled, and the only relief is walking. Worsening PMS, mood swings hit harder, cramps intensify, and chocolate cravings spike. Heavy periods, you change pads or tampons constantly, deal with flooding, and face anemia risks. Morning sickness during pregnancy, nausea becomes extreme, vomiting happens multiple times daily, and weight drops. Seizures, sudden twitching, blank stares, or loss of bladder control can appear without warning. Slurred speech, words blur together, people think you're drunk, and you sometimes fake having a cold. Confusion, you get lost in familiar places, forget your PIN, and freeze when making simple choices. Reflex loss, your knees barely react to the doctor's hammer, you drop things often and stumble more. Joint pain, morning stiffness, cracking knees, and reduced mobility mimic arthritis. Personality changes, you withdraw from friends, lose your sense of humor, and feel more paranoid about your health. Key takeaways: early stage, fatigue, mood swings, skin issues moderate, nerve symptoms, cognitive decline severe, seizures, mobility impairment critical, requires B6 injections, oral supplements ineffective if malabsorption exists. Testing tip: request PLP blood test, most accurate for B6 status, normal range 20 to 125 nmol. L food sources: chickpeas 1 cup equals 1.1 milligrams tuna, 3 ounces equals 0.9 milligrams potatoes, 1 medium equals 0.7 milligrams bananas, 1 medium equals 0.4 milligrams. Who's at risk? Pill users. Estrogen depletes B6, alcoholics, autoimmune patients, elderly, malabsorption.